If you're into Korean or Asian food, you've probably heard of gochujang. It's a Korean fermented chili paste with a deep, slightly sweet and spicy flavor. But today, we're going to use it in a slightly different way to make a creamy pasta. This isn't actually a traditional Korean dish. I'm not exactly sure when it started, but I've seen it online as a kind of Korean-inspired fusion pasta. There are many different versions, but the key idea seems to be the spiciness of gochujang, the creaminess of the sauce, and a slight touch of sweetness. So we decided to make our own version. For the pasta, we used fusilli lungi. One reason is that its curly shape feels a bit similar to instant noodles, which might feel familiar to Koreans. Also, since this is a cream-based sauce, the shape helps the sauce cling really well. It even has a slightly hollow center, which makes it even better for holding the sauce. If I had to describe the flavor, it's similar to this buldak carbonara. But this one is much milder. For Koreans, it's actually not spicy at all. But if you're not used to spicy food, it might still have a bit of kick. What surprised me was how strong the gochujang flavor is. It actually stands out more than the butter. Also, the cream is optional, and the same goes for the cheese. We just added them because we like it that way. I just wanted to say something to our subscribers. We started this channel around November 2025, and as of April 2026, we have about 260 subscribers. It might seem like a small number, but it truly means a lot to us. We're really grateful for all of you. If you have any suggestions or ideas, please feel free to leave a comment. We'd really love to hear from you. Thanks for watching today. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. See you next time.